Hey guys. Alright, so I'm back now and I'm gonna do my hair. I'm just probably gonna straighten it for the sake of time. And I just finished my makeup video, so if you haven't caught that yet, check it on the link below. And I'm gonna use my Andis hair dryer. I love this dryer. It dries my hair so quickly. I actually washed my hair last night, but I don't think I added heat protection. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this now. I put a little bit of oil in it, which serves as a heat protector. But I'm gonna go ahead and add this one. Alright, that's nice and pretty dry. This is my favorite plain and simple hairstyle. It's fast, easy. Oil sheen. All right, and let me go to my boredom go-to. When I feel that my hair is a little boring and I want to spice it up a little bit, I'll show you my go-to. You guessed it. HighBeams Intense Color Hairspray. Temporary color. Front edges first. This spray, just got to be careful to make sure you're moving it around, that way you don't get one spot too hard. I feel like I'm already putting too much. And we can do a two-tone look. More. Make sure I turn on the ventilation in the room. And that's that. Thank you guys for joining me and watching. See you next time.